this video, I've drawn a graph of y equals 10x, and I'll talk you through how I've gone about it. Now I've set up the axes, x-axis from negative 2 pi to 2 pi, using a scale of 1 square is pi on 6. I've also drawn a unit circle here that will help us determine the graph of y equals 10x. First thing we do is work out where the asymptotes are. Where is tan x undefined? Well, tan x is undefined first of all at pi on 2. Tan x is sine x over cosine x. Tan of pi on 2 is 1 over 0, which is undefined. So we can draw in the asymptote there at pi on 2. Also, tan of 3 pi on 2 is undefined. Negative 1 over 0 is undefined. We can draw in the asymptote at 3 pi on 2. And going in the clockwise direction, tan of negative pi on 2 is undefined. Tan of negative 3 on pi on 2 is undefined. The next thing we can do is the x-intercepts. Tan of 0, sine theta over cosine theta is 0, so we can mark the point 0, 0. Likewise, tan of pi is 0. Tan of 2 pi is 0. Going in the clockwise direction, tan of negative pi is 0. And tan of negative 2 pi is 0. Now another point we can easily get, we know that tan of pi on 4, halfway between 0 and pi on 2 here, is 1. So if we set up axes and label our axes as I should have done in the first place, with 1 and negative 1, tan of pi on 4 is 1. Tan of 3 pi on 4 in the second quadrant is negative 1. Tan of 5 pi on 4 in the third quadrant where tangent is positive 1. And tangent of 7 pi on 4 in the fourth quadrant is negative 1. And going the other way, tan of negative pi on 4 is negative 1. 1, negative 1, 1. We have it. And then when the best we can, we draw the graph connecting those points. The tan shape, arrows on the end, showing it continues infinitely in either direction. Only the part up to 2 pi there. And here, correcting the point that I misplotted. Through that point, we complete the graph of y equals tan x. So there we have it.